morning. I want to talk to you guys today about making sure you have turned in all of your assignments. Double check the weekly assignment checklist, go through each item and figure out if you did in fact turn this item in because it will be going in the gradebook. Additionally, we need to double check our online textbook. We need to make sure we are clearing out all of the assignments in there. So here is the Cumberland County website. You're going to click on that home base portal and you're going to log into Rapid Identity. From there, we're going to go to EasyBridge. We're going to go to Realize, and you're going to click on this orange box. That will take you to your list of assignments. Once you're in, I have different tabs than you. Mine say assignments by class, assignments by student. You're going to have an assignments not started, in progress, and you're going to have a third tab over here that is labeled completed. All of these assignments right here, the poetry collection test, simple act, selection test, and student edition, and the Mom and Me, it's Friday, so you need to go ahead on and take that selection test once you finish all your work. All of this should be cleared out and it should be completed and moved to the completed tab. So you need to double check this first tab where it says not started. You need to double check this second tab where it says in progress. If you have anything in there, complete it and then click turn in or submit so it will move to this completed tab. Have a great day. Turn in your work.